Good day, everyone. We are from the group Big Brains, and today we are going to present our problem solving for. So for our PS4, we are using the MuCos2 RTOS, MuCos3 RTOS, as well as the FreeRTOS. But for demo purpose, we only demo the MuCos2 RTOS and the FreeRTOS. So the first thing we are covering today is the comparison between the three operating systems. So for the maximum number of tasks for the MuCos2, there is a 455 maximum number of tasks, while it's unlimited for the UCOS3 and the FreeRTOS. And the number of tasks at each priority level for MuCos2 is 1, while it's also unlimited number of tasks for UCOS3 and also the FreeRTOS. The round robin scheduling option is no for the UCOS2, while it's available for the UCOS3 and the FreeRTOS. And the message mailboxes feature is available for the UCOS2, but for UCOS3 and the FreeRTOS, they are using the message queue method. Okay, so now I'm going to demo the example 2 from our lab 3. So now I will run the test.exe. As we can see, we can observe the speed of the spinning wheel here, and here is the alphabets changing, and the CPU usage is from 10 to 11%, and the switch per second is 65. So I will stop the program now, and now I'm going to perform our lab, where for the task 2 and task 3, we need to increase the speed of the spinning wheel, so we need to decrease the duration by a factor of 2. So we'll change from 10 to 5, and for this we'll change from 20 to 10. And for the task 4, we'll need to change the alphabets to the numbers. So the A, we'll change the A to 0, and the Z will be changed to colon. So I'll set it now, and we'll compile the program now by running this mac.s.bat. So now I'll run the text.exe program, and we can observe that the spinning wheel now is the speed has been increased, and the alphabets here has already changed into numbers. For the CPU usage, it didn't change at all, which is from the range of 10 to 11%, and the switch per second also has increased. So that's it for our lab.
Okay, so just now we implement our lab 3 using MuCos2. Now we try to implement it using FreeRTOS. So first of all, we download and unzip the file from the official website of FreeRTOS, which you can see right here. So after we press the download FreeRTOS, then we download and unzip it. So I'll skip this process, and I'll show you the file that we have successfully unzipped, and we can find the SLN file over here, and we open it by using Visual Studio. And then we implement our code into this file, and we try to debug and run. As you can see here, we have successfully run this program, and there's the spinning wheel right here, and also the number changing right over here. So you also see there's some information right here. However, there's no CPU usage and task switch per second, as we cannot find a way to display the information. However, we can display some other information such as the absolute time for each task and also their percentage. Okay, we now doing the comparison between the implementation using the UCOS 2, UCOS 3, and FreeRTOS. So as you can see right here, from the implementation such as the create a task, start all tasks, critical section, delay task, and passing data between tasks, all of them they have the different name and also the syntax as you can see right here. So some of them, for example, start all tasks, the function for the ucos2 RTOS is os start. As for the ucos3, the start all task function is called as os init. As for free RTOS, the start all task is named as vtask start scheduler. So in FreeRTOS and NewCos 3 RTOS implementation, printf is used for printing the output into the console. In the example given by the UCOS 2 RTOS, however, it is running on DOS box. Hence, the functions in pc.c and pc.h cannot be used on Windows OS. Therefore, some functionalities such as printing data and getting time cannot be cloned on FreeRTOS and UCOS 3 because they are running on Windows using Visual Studio. Besides, in FreeRTOS, there are no global variables for getting the CPU usage and task switch per second. However, the information on the amount of processing time of each task can be obtained using the API function, which is vtask get runtime stats. So that's all from us. Thank you very much.